future code.
The for loop. Do it this many times.
Hi there, little coders. Have you ever done something exactly 5 times in a row? Like, I drink water, I jump, I laugh. Again, I drink water, I jump, I laugh. Again and again and again. Yeah! Sometimes I say the same things 5 times until my mom gets tired. Oh, wow! Well, today we're going to tell the computer to repeat something too in its own special way. Oh, I want the computer to say hello 5 times. I know how. Print hello, print hello, print hello, print hello, print hello. Oh, wow. So if you wanted to say hello to 100 people, would you write it 100 times? No way! That's way too much. Exactly. That's why Python gave us a much easier way. It's called a for loop, which means do something a certain number of times. For I in range 5, print hello. This means say hello 5 times. Range 5 means from 0 to 4, which makes 5 times total. Wow! Just 2 lines instead of 5. So if I wanted to say it 100 times, I'd still write only 2 lines? That's awesome! But why does it go from 0 to 4? Isn't 5 missing? Great question! Computers usually start counting from 0. So it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's 5 times. Just like the 5 wagons of this train that carry the numbers 0 to 4. Aha! Got it now! Sareen, remember how much code you had to write to draw a square? Oh yeah, that was kind of a lot. Well, not anymore. With 4, it's way easier. Watch this. We told the turtle, do this 6 times. Go forward and turn 60 degrees. It draws a cool shape like a honeycomb side. This is way easier than using while. And it's just 1 line in the loop? Exactly. If you know how many times to repeat, 4 is the easiest way. Now I want to make something with 8 sides, and I want it to be orange. Awesome! Let's go for it. We said do this 8 times. Each move makes a side and a turn. And boom! You get a bright orange shape. It's so pretty! You're right. It really is. Now it's your turn, Sareen. Draw a golden star. Here's a hint. Use a loop that repeats 5 times and turn 144 degrees each time. Let me try. Oh, wow! Amazing! You did it! Yes, I did it! I'm using coding, math, and art all at once! Exactly! See how one simple loop can help you create a beautiful world of shapes and colors? That's the power of for. It means repeat something a set number of times fast and neat. Get ready, more exciting coding magic is coming your way.